it's Lauren and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing my bathroom makeover video. I've been waiting to do this one for a while. If you're new to my channel, welcome, I'm Lauren, and if you're not new, you know that I've been doing room makeover videos on my channel for the past few months. I've done my bedroom, my living room, my studio, so if you have not seen those, make sure you guys check them out. They'll be linked down below. But today we are doing my bathroom and I'm so excited to bring you guys with. We're going to be doing wallpaper. We're going to be putting some shelves up, decorating, all of that fun stuff. So let's just get into it. I'm going to show you guys what the bathroom looks like right now, and then we will get into it. Sorry about the fan, I have no way of turning that off, but this is what the bathroom looks like. Super simple. It does have fun tile. The shower has cool tile, but very basic, small. So the plan is to put wallpaper on this wall. It's cool, the ceilings are really high. And then we're going to do shelving right here, decorating. This is what my shower curtain looks like. Very simple, but we are going to make it look very cool. Satisfy the times that make you wonder. Okay, so first up on the list of things to do is going to be the wallpaper. The wallpaper is going to be the hardest part, so we're going to start with that. So I just got this peel and stick wallpaper. It is of olive tree branches. It's super cute, super subtle, but it's gonna add a nice touch to this plain white wall. So basically what I'm gonna do is lay it out, measure what my strips need to be, and then cut them out. I ordered just one roll of this and I did it knowing that I wouldn't have quite enough. So what I've decided to do is do almost like how people for board and batten do like 3/4 of the wall with it. I'm gonna do that and then do a border of burlap looking ribbon. I'm hoping it's gonna look cool, so we're just not gonna bring it all the way to the top. That's also gonna help because I don't want to cut around the fire sprinkler thing. I don't know how this is going to go, but let's just give it a shot. In your life, the simple times in the Arizona thunder, the Arizona thunder tonight. Okay, so I have all of my wallpaper rolled out and measured and cut. So now it's time to hang it. I'm gonna start with the short one first, and it goes down to the sink. We're just gonna go for it and hope that it works. If there's wrinkles, whatever. I'm gonna use a book to kind of just get the wrinkles out and just hope that it's gonna be great. This is the print. I'm obsessed. I'm so excited. The wallpaper looks so good. And it was actually way easier than I thought it was gonna be. I mean, it wasn't easy. I'm definitely sweating. Also, again, the fan. You're gonna hear it. But it makes the room look so much bigger and so pretty. I love it. And we're done with the wallpaper. Like with the mirror here, it really makes the room look big. The lighting changed, but I'm sorry, I can't deal with the fan. As you can see, the top obviously does not go to the ceiling. So as like a little break up from the paint to the wallpaper, I'm going to take this burlappy ribbon and just go along the top like this. I'm just gonna use gaffer's tape. I could glue it, or I don't know. I think gaffer's tape will work fine, and then it's just more temporary, less permanent. Okay, so now that we are done with the wallpaper, it's time to move on the shelf. So I actually already did some poly on this board. It's like this old board that we had at my house. I'm gonna use it as a shelf. I got brackets. So right now we are going to work on hanging the brackets. I'm never good at this stuff. It just takes so much measuring. So we're gonna measure out the brackets to hang on the wall, and then we will put the shelf up and decorate the shelf with cute little bathroom things.
1, 2, 3, 4. Fall for your influence, 'cause girl, you make my shooting stars align.
Alright, so now that I have the shelf all hung up, I actually am going to put this little dowel in here with a towel to kind of make up this white space. I wanted the shelf to be high enough so it didn't like interfere with like the toilet, but I also don't love how there's like a ton of space. I'd rather hang things lower. So we're just gonna stick this dowel right in here so that I have a towel hanging here if I need it, and it takes up that space. All I did was paint this dowel. I actually had it already from my loft makeover, so I'm just gonna fold this nice, and then all that I have to do, it's super easy, is just stick it in here, stick it in here, center it, and there we go. We have a nice little towel holder. Alright, so next up I actually have this rug that's actually a kitchen rug from Target. It has rubber gripping on the back, so it's really great for a bathroom because there's no sliding. I hate when a rug slides, especially in a bathroom because it's tile floor. So I'm going to put this right below my sink. Don't mind me just sitting on the ground. But I think it looks great. I like that I have the red and the green. It's not Christmas red and green. It's definitely a different look. And it brings another color into here. And it's super like mature looking. I love this style rug. So great find. It's on Target. I'll link it down below. Alright, so next we have this little corner near this, looking into the sink. We have a mirror. But I love having a mirror opposite of my other mirror so I can look at myself from the back. So I actually thrifted this mirror. And there's my light. I'm obsessed. It goes perfectly like with the color scheme. The wicker goes great with that border at the top. And I think it would look so cute right here. So I'm gonna hang it right here so that I can like, you know, just like look at my hair if I want from the back. And I feel like it will make this space look even bigger. I got a new hammer. If you guys have watched my other videos, you probably have seen it. I've been using a baby hammer. So now I feel like an adult. My parents got me a toolkit for my birthday. Hammer haul.
Baby, what you say can make or break my day. Baby, what you say can make or break my day.
Okay, so I think we're like pretty much wrapping up this little makeover. I'm going to do some finishing touches on the bathroom, you know, decorate the shelf, decorate all my sink area, and then I think it's gonna be time to do the final reveal.
See me when you talk, I don't know what to say, I'm going high. See me when I walk, I'm walking far away.
Okay, so we are finally done with this bathroom makeover. I'm so excited to share with you guys. So let's do the reveal in 3, 2, 1.
I feel your rhythm inside of me. What I like to see, hands on your body. You feel my rhythm inside of you. Oh, I never knew. Made me feel brand new. Well then hello, I'll introduce myself. The name BC Hill, name is Hot Ladies Milk. Got a whole lot of lines that get stuck in my mind, but I ain't frontin' on it all. Let's get back and rewind. My motto, slow way, smile, ever since I could write. My bars show my style, better watch on the mic. And yeah, go full throttle, lift the melodies tight. Cause when I step and say a line, sure it's something you like. Yo, 1, 2, 3, 2, go, 4.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like this video and subscribe down below. If you want to see any of my other room makeover videos, I have my bedroom, my living room, and my studio up already, and they'll be linked down below. I had so much fun doing this space. It was probably the smallest space I've done, so it's taken the shortest amount of time. Got to do it all in one day, which was nice. And now I can enjoy my cute little bathroom. I love the way the wallpaper turned out, and it was actually super easy. The shelf was easy, everything just turned out great, and I'm so happy. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!